In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location to posts. Adding a location can boost discoverability, give helpful context, and make it easier for people to find your content when they search by place. I'll walk you through the exact flow in Later so you can do it confidently every time. First, log into your Later account. Use the device and browser you're most comfortable with, and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one brand. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where all your publishing tools live. Next, head to the media library and upload the photo or video you want to use. You can drag and drop files from your computer or select them from your folders. Give the upload a moment to process so you can see a clear thumbnail. Keeping your media organized here will make the rest of the process smoother. Now drag your chosen media from the library onto the calendar to create a new post. The calendar view helps you visualize your content plan. When you drop the media onto a time slot, the post editor will open, ready for your details. This is where you set everything up in one place. Select your Instagram profile in the post editor. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check you're picking the right one before moving on. This ensures the location you add is tied to the correct account and avoids any accidental cross-posting. In the post settings, click Add Location. You'll typically find this option alongside fields like caption and other post details. Selecting it opens a search bar dedicated to places recognized by Instagram's location database. Search for the location you want and select it from the results. Type the full name of the place, and if needed, include the city or neighborhood to narrow it down. If you see multiple similar results, look for the one that matches the correct address or area. Once you click the right match, the location attaches to your post and you'll see it reflected in the settings. If your first search doesn't show what you expect, try a slightly different spelling or add a nearby landmark to refine the results. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, uploaded your media, created your post from the calendar, selected the correct Instagram profile, added a location in the post settings, and chosen the exact place you want to appear. With the location set, your post is now positioned to reach people exploring that area, making your content more relevant and easier to discover.